In this video, I'll demonstrate how to calculate the fit parameters for a weighted curve fit using the MyCurveFit Excel add-in. I have calibrator X and Y values that I've used to calculate unweighted 4PL fit parameters. For this data set, I'd also like to apply a 1/y² weighting method. So I'll use Excel to calculate the weighting by entering the formula equals 1 divided by the Y value squared. Now I'll hover over the bottom right corner of this cell and drag the formula down to populate the rest of the weighting values. Calculating the parameters of a weighted 4PL fit method is similar to calculating unweighted 4PL fit parameters with one additional argument. So first, I'll select at least 4 cells to house the parameters. I'll go ahead and select 5 to include the R² value and an additional column to contain the headers. I'll type equals and begin typing MyCurveFit. I'll select the 4PL weighted option, and now I'll highlight the calibrator X values, followed by the Y values, and for the last argument, I'll also highlight the weighting values, and press Ctrl-Shift-Enter to calculate the parameters. In reviewing the parameters, you can see here the A parameter is slightly lower than the unweighted A parameter, and the D parameter is slightly higher than the unweighted D parameter, giving us a larger range of calculable results. You can also apply custom weighting to specific parameters. For example, if I'd like to bias the fit towards the lowest calibrator, I can add a custom weight value of 1000 to the first calibrator and enter 1 as the weight values for the remaining calibrators. Again, I'll select the cells to house my parameters and their headers, enter an equals sign, and begin typing MyCurveFit. I'll select the 4PL weighted option, highlight the calibrator X values, Y values, and the weighting values. I'll press Ctrl-Shift-Enter, and here you can see our custom weighted fit parameters. You'll notice by adding the 1000 weight value to the first calibrator, the A parameter is closer to 1, which is the calibrator Y value, than the unweighted fit. To visualize the difference weighting can make, I've created plot data tables and charted these resulting fits. For more information on how to chart your fit using the MyCurveFit Excel add-in, please see the associated video. In reviewing these charts, you can see clearly by the shape of the curves, as well as the location of the calibrator points, that weighting models can bias the fit to certain calibrator points and can be a useful tool in customizing your fit method. If you have any questions about how to add weighting to your fit, please email us at support@myassays.com.